Mamelodi Sundowns have confirmed the appointment of Portuguese coach Miguel Cardoso as their new head coach, replacing Mangoba Mngisi. The announcement was made during a press briefing at the club's Clearcope headquarters on Tuesday. This decision follows a period of mixed results for the Tshwane Giants. Sundowns currently sit atop the Betway Premiership standings after 8 games, but their CAF Champions League campaign has been less convincing. With 2 draws from their opening fixtures, the team is also reeling from early exits in the Carling Knockout Cup and MTN 8, leading the club's board to opt for a shake-up in the technical team. Miguel Cardoso brings a wealth of experience to Sundowns, having honed his craft in various roles across Europe and beyond. He started as a youth coach in Portugal and later worked at FC Porto as a youth and fitness coach. His career also includes assistant coaching stints at Belenenses SG, Braga and Sporting CP, as well as serving as academy manager at Ukrainian giants Shakhtar Donetsk. As a head coach, Cardoso has managed prominent teams such as Celta Vigo in Spain and AEK Athens in Greece. Most recently, he led Tunisian club Esperanto to a league title and a FIFA Club World Cup qualification. Joining Cardoso at Sundowns are 3 of his trusted assistants, Fabio Fernandes, Pedro Azevedo, and João. The new technical team will work alongside existing staff members Steve Kompela and Kennedy Nwini. Mngisi's final game in charge was a 1-1 draw against Moroccan side as far in the CAF Champions League over the weekend. Despite his departure, Sundowns expressed gratitude for his contribution during his tenure. The club released a statement that said, Mamelodi Sundowns is thankful to Mangoba Mngisi and Wendell Robinson for their loyal services to the club over the years and wishes them everything of the best in their new endeavors. The reshuffle also sees the departure of assistant coach Romain Folz, who had joined the club earlier this year. With Cardoso at the helm, Sundowns aim to rejuvenate their campaign and maintain their domestic dominance while targeting continental success. The club will be hoping the Portuguese tactician's experience and fresh perspective will drive the team to new heights. Sundowns remain second in the CAF Champions League group and will look to make an impact under the new leadership in the coming matches. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.